Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing fantastically well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV, and today I wanted to talk about how to add value to your team group. So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, please do say new in the comments as well. And if you get value from this video, you learn something, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will get some value too. So today I wanted to talk about how to add value to your team group. However, it's probably not going to be what you expect. And I've learned this from my mentor, Ray Higdon, because he says that too many people are focused on how do I add more trainings in my team group? Hey, Lindsay, thanks for watching. How are you doing? Right? Too many leaders are thinking, how do I cram more training into my group? How do I cram more information into my group? How do I cram more productivity, for my team? But your team group should not be just training, work, right? Because that is not the best environment for your team members. So like my mentor Ray says, instead of asking how do I add more value into my team group, you should be asking yourself, how do I improve the culture of my team group, right? And that's two different things, right? So value, like most people think value is just more trainings, more seminars, more Zooms, more webinars, but there's a limit on how much training somebody needs, right? But your team members don't just need training. They also need inspiration. They need motivation. They need stories. They need excitement. They need relationships, and so on and so on and so on and so on, right? So same way in your team group, you should not just be putting training. Maybe there should be more recognition. Maybe there should be more interviews with other team members, not just you training. Maybe there should be more stuff that not even inspires, but stuff that is directed for people who may be just product users in your team, who are not building a huge team, they're just using the product, right? But have you got anything for that type of person in your group? Or is your group just, let's go, let's rock and roll, let's recruit 20 in 30 days, let's sell the crap out of it, etc. And what if I join your team and I'm just a product consumer and you add me to your team? Would I feel horrible in your team? Would I feel like I'm not good enough to be in your team? What's the atmosphere in your team group? What's the culture in your team group? Does it make everybody feel welcome? Does it make everybody feel good? Or is it just for the hardcore, the 5%ers in your team, and everybody else feels like they're complete losers? You know what I mean? That's what you need to think. Instead of thinking how to add more value, think about how to create a better culture in your team group. And don't forget that anything that you do, your team members will think they have to do it too. So sometimes we think that we are so nice, we are so good, we are so helpful for our team, but actually what we are creating is unduplicatable business environment where people don't think that they can do what you do. So make sure that anything that you do, anybody in your team can repeat that too. So that's my tip for today, my friends. Hope you got value. If you did, feel free to share it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.